Hey everybody, welcome back again to the Big Rig Compliance YouTube channel. My name's Mitcham Turner. I'm an NHVR auditor, WA auditor, heavy vehicle consultant, and I'm here to show you today how to add vehicles to your mass or maintenance accreditation in the NHVR portal. I was recently at a big meeting of auditors from all over Victoria with the regulator, and all of the other auditors were raising this as a problem. If you're one of my clients, give me a phone call. I can work you through this, even sitting in the car going down the highway. I'm so familiar with it, it's very easy. Otherwise, run through this video. This should be really self-explanatory. Again, if there are any problems, give me a call. 0412 65 4455 is my phone number. That's 0412 654 455. And as always, Big Rig Compliance on YouTube, Mitcham Turner on LinkedIn, and Mitcham is spelt M-I-T-C-H, A for Alpha, M for Mike. Hit me up, say hello, tell me what videos you guys need next. Let's get into it. So we've got our roadworthiness certificate on the desktop, and we've got Google open. We've searched for the NHVR portal, and we are in with our password and our username saved. So first things first, let's log into the portal. Now we're in the portal, and this is one of my customers' portals that I'm doing some consulting for, and they've asked me to help add some vehicles today. If you're one of my customers and you phone call me up, again, 0412 65 4455, and I'm guiding you through the portal, I'm always going to be talking about this, the grey bar up and down the side of the left-hand side of the screen. And today we're going to start with looking at the shield icon, which is accreditation. Now in accreditation, again, if you're one of my clients, I'm likely going to be talking to you about the green and blue and grey dots, or I'm going to be asking you to look towards the bottom of the screen at the titles here, accreditation, vehicles, applications, things like that. Today, however, we're going to manage accreditation. This is where we upload audits and change our vehicles status and update the regulator about who we employ for our drivers. In here today, we've got the update vehicles, which is what we're going to work on. Update drivers as if you're updating BFM driver lists or AFM. Maintain modules is if you are submitting an audit report, a compliance audit report. And add module is if we're adding new accreditation. So update vehicles today. It always asks you for a nickname. I never do anything. We just click start. All right. So when you start adding vehicles, you're going to start with a whole list of your existing vehicles. Now, if you've got an existing vehicle like XW16JZ here, for example, if you want to add it to maintenance, we can click maintenance. If we want to remove it from mass, we can click remove. So over here, you can see the action that we've got proposed. All of these ones we've done nothing with, so it's no change. This one, adding maintenance. Now, we don't really want to add maintenance. We want to leave it alone. So we'll untick that. The other thing that you might want to do is you might want to delete a vehicle. If you want to delete a vehicle, over here on the right-hand side is a little trash can Oscar the Grouch icon. We can hit that, and you can see here that it says now the action that we're proposing is delete. Again, I'm just showing you how this works. This is not what we're doing today. So we're going to hit back, and we're going to get it to no change. What we're doing today is we're adding a new vehicle, and we're only adding this vehicle to maintenance. We're not adding it to mass. So we're going to start by ticking maintenance. And the vehicle registration is YV71JV. And the state is Victoria. Now, if we get the registration and the state correct, the VIN number and the owner will automatically populate. If we've got it wrong, this might show up an error code, but sometimes if it's a brand new vehicle, it's only just been registered, then it may be in the state system, but it may not have updated in the regulator system yet. It can take some time. So just make sure that the rego is correct. Make sure the VIN number is correct. If there's anything out of the normal there, you've got the phone number, give me a call. All right, so we've got our vehicle in and we're going to add it to maintenance, and it's automatically ticks that it's a trailer. We won't add it to mass because we only add trucks to mass, never trailers. So we just scroll down the bottom and we click next. The other thing we do, instead of clicking next, we can also come up here and click 1, 2, 3, 4. If we get everything correct, it will go blue. If we do something wrong, it will light up as red. All right, so what we're saying here is that we need to upload an evidence of roadworthiness. This is only done for vehicles in maintenance. It's not required for vehicles on mass management. So we're just going to go to desktop and we're going to upload our certificate of roadworthiness. Now, if it takes you a while to upload, don't click away while this uploads because it won't save unless you allow it to finish uploading before clicking away. All right, and again, we can click next, or we can just click the next box up here. In additional instructions, it's going to ask who the contact is, and the portal is quite slow, as you can tell. Mitcham is the contact. Additional instructions, there's no need to put anything in there. You might put something in there just clarifying if there's a problem, or just to say thank you to the regulator or wish them a happy Friday. Now, with this drop-down box down the bottom, it says you've got to select the address. This is the address that they'll send the sticker to for the truck, or the trailer, I should say in this case. So you need to select the address. The address is only going to populate out of the addresses that you've already declared to the portal. If your address isn't there, or if the address is old, then you need to update the address in the portal. Right, address done. Confirmation. Now here is where we just read over and we say, this is the vehicle that we're adding. Yes, we've uploaded an attachment. We're going to say this is who we contact. There's no additional comments. When the sticker's printed, it will be delivered to this address. And then you've got a credit card payment. So we're going to tick declare. You're declaring that you've read the terms and conditions, and you're declaring that the details provided in the application are true and correct. Now, it won't let me submit because I am not the authorized person on this account. This has to go to the director to send in. But I'm just going to save it for now. But normally if you click submit, it will just take you through to the credit card payment process. And the final thing that I need to tell you is that while we have submitted the application to the regulator to add your vehicle to maintenance or mass or your driver or whatever, the application for vehicles does not mean that you have actually added that vehicle to your accreditation. You have applied to add it to your accreditation. This is important because it means that we have to wait for the regulator to approve our application. You'll get an email saying they've received the application. The next email you'll get will say that the application is approved. Generally with mass and maintenance, that application will also state that you can use the email as temporary evidence that the vehicle is on mass and or maintenance management until the sticker arrives in the mail, because the sticker will be sent out in snail mail. So just remember that because you've sent in this application and you've paid your $39 does not mean that your vehicle is immediately on mass. You have to wait for that email confirmation before you can go out and operate at the increased mass limits or tell your clients that your vehicle is on maintenance management. Thank you very much. Goodbye for now. Again, contact me. Please let me know any videos you want. We have a couple more I need to do a video on setting up an account, validating identities, and submitting initial compliance. I'm looking forward to doing that as soon as I have a set up client that will allow me to use their names and everything to show you all. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.